As the armored vehicles and soldiers rolled into Slovyansk, they were greeted warmly by pro-Russian residents. Some of the armed men claimed they are Ukrainian soldiers who have switched sides to the pro-Russians, who already are occupying several government buildings in town.
The paratroopers switched to the people's side. You can count for yourself how many of us there are, the self-defense army of Donbass.
Also, armed pro-Russians have taken over the mayor's office and city council building in Donetsk, another city where separatists demand referenda on splitting with Ukraine to join Russia. In Ukraine's capital, Kiev, Ukrainian Prime Minister Arseniy Yatsenyuk called these recent developments terrorism. He said Russia is behind the actions and all the rest of the world knows it.
Russia has a new export. Aside from oil and gas, Russia is now exporting terrorism to Ukraine. Only one country, Russia, does not see that Russian sabotage groups are performing acts of terror in Ukraine.
In Brussels, NATO Secretary General Anders Fogh Rasmussen told reporters Wednesday the alliance is responding to the armed presence in eastern Ukraine with a military response of its own.
Today, we agreed on a package of further military measures to reinforce our collective defense and demonstrate the strength of Allied solidarity. We will have more planes in the air, more ships on the water, and more readiness on the land.
Rasmussen said NATO still believes a political solution is the only answer to the crisis and called on Russia to be part of that solution. He said NATO fully supports talks scheduled for Thursday in Geneva among the European Union, Russia, Ukraine, and the United States. Jeff Custer, VOA News.